Hi first grade friends, it's Miss Ferrara, and the other day we read the whole story of how seeds grow. And this story told us all about how we can grow seeds. And remember, we learned some pretty cool ways to grow them. So now today I want to go on a comparing and a contrasting investigation. So I want to compare tree seeds and bean seeds. So we're going to read to find out how they are alike and how they're different. So remember, compare, contrast, compare, contrast. So let's read to find out the difference. Here is a tree seed. Someday it will be a tree like this. So it starts out as a little seed and grows into a big tree. Here is a flower seed. Someday it will be a flower like this. So it starts out as a little seed and then grows into a big sunflower. Sorry friends, my computer is being a little funky. Some seeds grow slowly. These are seeds of an oak tree. An oak tree grows very, very slowly. Suppose you planted an oak tree seed. You would be a father, or a mother, or even a grandfather or grandmother, and the oak tree would still be growing. So an oak tree seeds are called acorns, and they start out so small and then they turn into a big oak tree, and it takes them a while to grow. Some seeds grow fast. This is a bean seed. It grows very fast. It grows so fast that it becomes a bean plant in just a few weeks. So the bean seeds start out really small and then grow into the bean seeds, but they don't take long like trees. They both start out as little seeds, but then the bean seed only takes a few weeks. As oak trees, they could take up a few years. Then it says you can plant bean seeds yourself. We use pole beans. You can use pole beans, bush beans, or lima beans. You can plant the seeds in eggshells or tin cans, or old cups or little flower pots. Be sure that your containers have holes in the bottom. So now I want you to go back in the text and find some ways that tree seeds are like bean seeds. And then I want you to go and find some differences. So you can respond on a piece of paper with how they are alike and how they're different. And you can respond on Flipgrid, or you can send a picture of your response through Remind. I look forward to getting all your responses. Remember, compare, contrast.